Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing the Hoop League Association Finals, and if we go look over here, as you can see, our court has the finals trophy on it, and this means we made it. I mean, just look at this team. Jamie Wagner at 50 years old, looking to make it. So I'm gonna sim the first two games. You do get cooked. Game one. We can't fall. Just can't fall down 2-0. We're gonna fall down 2-0, aren't we? Yeah, we do. All right. So now we gotta dominate. We gotta dominate. It's just about getting. All right. Now we gotta take two here at home. Let's hop into the first game of the postseason. John Rom. Morel. Atkins is averaging 18 this postseason, so that's like really good. Okay. Roll, foul, and one to start the game. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, we missed. Davion Oreo. Good steal. Good steal, Atkins. Good job getting some cookies. Wide open three. Let it fly. Let it fly. 5-0 to start the game already. We just got sat down, but they missed. They missed. Morel. Foul on 44. Francisco Gerby. Picks up the foul. It's already a second. Okay. We cannot be missing free throws. At least we make that one. I mean, you know, it's just all about the grind. I don't know how that wasn't a foul. Just swing it to Morel. Morel. Just gonna take that. Rom. Three on the way. It's good. 9-0. A minute into the game. That's just how good we are. Adkins. 5 already. Oh yeah, they just scored their first bucket too, so good for them, I guess. Ugh. Where did I put my? He missed. Okay, so not too bad. Not too bad of a guy to foul, I guess. He was 1 for 2. Also, I like how like they tint it gold for the finals as well. Gotta be kidding me, bro. Here we'll start for the airman leads to a easy dunk. 10-point lead, largest lead of the day. I just got sat down. Doesn't even matter. Tyler Gaines cannot hit shit. Morel, on the other hand, foul. 2 shots, though. 2 shots. That's already 3 on Gerby. I think I could get him to foul. I think I can get him to foul out in the first half, maybe even the first quarter. We gotta keep attacking him. Oh, wait, I know what to do with Anthony King. To state that King has, like, hardly touched the ball on offense, despite being part of the big three. What do you mean, foul? What's his free throw percentage? 64, so I'm not too worried about his free throws. I mean, I mean, come on. Are we really? Yeah, are we really doing this? Hey, 11-point lead early. Man, they cut it back down to 10. Give it to Rom. I'm gonna give it to King. I mean, just look at King go. Foul. It's 4 on Gerby already. Wait, I could actually get a foul. Should I do that? Or is that cheese? I mean, I just gotta work. I just gotta work our way to the free throw line, just like that. Boom. And now that he's cold, attack, attack, king. I mean, this is just really good swing game right now. Oh my gosh. 15-point lead here. Okay. 2 of 7. Yeah, this has just not been going well for Tyler Gaines. He's like one of the best players in the league, I think. Oh, Michel Morel already dominating on his half. What do you? Okay, we're up 16. Now this is where Nathan Korst comes in the game. You know, we don't really have an offensive center. We have both of our centers really play defense. Could be a future. Could make a future trade. Could maybe get a guy like Sir Shooter, maybe. Who's that foul on? Ooh, not on. Gerby got away with one right there. Hmm. All right, 5 points. I have 1 bucket. Oh my gosh. 6 points, 4 of 5, in a backcourt. Yeah, this game is already out of control. See, it's like this, not bad. I mean, if this continues how it continues to go, we might just be able to sim the game. Yeah, they can't hit a shot to save their lives. This is where John Ron kind of comes in. That's 5 on Gerby in the first quarter, and they don't even take him out. I could get him to foul out with 0 points in the first quarter. This okay. Poality does need to fix the AI up a little. Okay, like the AI after a while gets too predictable. Also, I might need to change my sliders. Okay, Gerby, let me see you. Oh my god. Oh my god. First quarter foul out. First quarter foul out. Dude, they're cooked. Gerby is like one of their best defensive players, by the way. He's like my kryptonite. Like, bro, everything I try to do, Gerby always finds a way to be better than me. Yeah, I mean, in Tyler Game, I feel like all the big superstars in Hoopland, they're just cones on defense, except for like the centers. But yeah, like Tyler Gaines is a cone. So is Anthony King. Michelle, let it fly. Ooh, doesn't knock it down. That's weird. Like Michelle at least has like 8 defense. I just tried shooting that and one. Yeah, this game's over. If we make it to 50 before they get to 25, then that's just how you know this shit's over. Yeah. Okay. Franklin Parrish. Franklin Parrish. I think he's one of the youngins. Mm. Mm. Nathan, man. We got to 50 before they got to 20. This just shows you how bad they're playing today. They don't have Gerby. I mean, I literally put Gerby in foul trouble so early. Y'all might actually say that I was trying to foul bait him out of the first half, out of the first quarter. When he got to 4, and I thought about it, like, no, that's just gonna be mean. So I didn't do it. That 5th foul, I kind of forced it, but that 6th foul, when he got that 6th foul, that was completely his fault. Snatched. Snatch your chain. Snatch his chain. Why? Hey! All right, we have 3 on Morel, which is really not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Flight time, air time, Morel with 11, 4 of 5 shooting. Oh my gosh. So you're going to call that on Adkins and not Korst, who is flying in? These guys this might actually be the most sorry I've ever seen a team in the finals. Like, you had to run through the gauntlet of the West just to face this. You get to a lead. You're feeling good going into the game 3, and then boom, you get punched in the mouth like a bunch of babies. Hey, I'm foaming deep in this chamber. That's in. It's in. It's good, and yeah, bro, this game might actually be over. If I call it, I might call a timeout and just sim, just so I can, just so we can, just because I want to fit the entire series into, I want to fit the entire finals into one episode. Also, I really hope that we win the next 3 games. I'm trying to win the next 3 games, just so we can win a game 6, win the finals at home in game 6, which is probably not likely to happen. Because this definitely screams 3 game. This definitely screams 7 game series on it, especially when I'm shooting like that. This is just bullying, honestly. Does this count for bullying? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call a timeout. All right, we need to fix some stuff. I mean, if you go look at the play-by-play of the second when I called the timeout, yeah, boom. Yeah. I mean, as you can see, they just couldn't really do anything. It's pretty slow last couple of minutes after I called that timeout. With 2 minutes, I didn't really do much. But yeah, then I simmed. As you can see, I simmed the rest of the game afterwards to go down only 2-1 in the series. But honestly, I'm liking our chances right now. Go with the Blues. They can wear the Reds. So yeah, let's get right on into game 4. But I do just want to. Oh my gosh, Walter Fleming and Clarence Ross are 5 stars. Dude, I did not know that. Oh my god. Oh yeah, they are. They're averaging 16, but they're not their leading scorers. The leading scorers are Gaines and Oreo. Adkins is now averaging 22. No. Okay. Okay, you know what? That's fine. It's perfectly fine. Game 4, here we come, baby. John Rahm finds Adkins. Swing it to fucking Adkins. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Step back 3. It's good. But it's not. Well, why didn't I just shoot Why didn't I just do the button pass? Why didn't I just do that, you know? I should just button pass it instead of just trying to rely on others. Okay, and now we're down 5-0. It's just like last game, but now the opposite. Oh, I'm getting sloppy. I'm getting sloppy. I'm getting sloppy. I'm getting sloppy. Whoa. That fixes things. That's how you get back into a game. You know? That is not how you get back into a game. Hey, Michelle Morel. Yeah, bring the double team. Bring the double team. Bring the double team. Okay, so I simmed. You know, guys, we're down 3-1 in the series. I don't think this is winnable. I simmed game 4. I thought, hey, maybe we could win it, you know? But no. No, we couldn't. And it's just pain. We're gonna lose. I just know we are, and that's what hurts the most, man. It's just we're just gonna lose. Um, I don't think I have it in me for a 3-game comeback like I did earlier this playoffs, like I failed to do last postseason. So, you know what? I'm gonna go out here tonight. I'm gonna hang my high hat. Hey, they may have won last year. They may go back to back, but I assure you, even if we lose this game, next year is a revenge arc. I mean, just look at that. We're just we just had a quadruple team. That's how bad the series has been to the point where I'm having to quadruple team them just to stop them from scoring. Morel, baby. I may be going. Hey, we may be out. We may be down. We may be out. But we're gonna finish with a bang. And Morel might have to carry. They miss. And Morel, 6 early points. 6 early points. Should have been a foul right there. Should have been a foul. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Good defense. Good defense. And one. And one. You know what? Screw all this sentimental shit. LeBron didn't quit when he went down 3-1 to the Warriors. Braun didn't quit when Dirk Nowitzki beat the shit out of him in the finals in 2011. He went back, and he and the Heat went back to back after Dirk slapped him in the mouth. MJ, 2 3-peats. All the greats know how to win. Oh my God, I just got my ass dunked on. But hey, this is how you win. You know, we may not win the series. Oh my gosh. Fitzgerald with the poke. Kick out. 3. Good. Have we missed a shot yet? I think we missed one. Let's look at the shot chart. Yeah, we are 3 of 4, 8 of 9. It's 20-4 through 2 minutes. We are on pace to score 60 this quarter. We are literally on pace to score 240. Okay, that's just our second miss of the game, though. That's how bad we want to win. That we are shooting lights out, but you know, Tyler Gaines as 7 of his team's 9. Oh my gosh, the behind the back poster. The behind the back poster. And I don't know how you recover from that. If you're any team. Oh my gosh. The momentum is shifting. Let's do this. 24-9. I might not even have to play the rest of the game. Y'all might just see the first quarter. But, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 24-10 here in the first quarter. They have not called a timeout yet. Fade away deep too. 6 points for him. I mean, just the consistency. Just the consistency out of Ross Atkins is why he's our best player. He's just consistent, you know? He's about to get another assist because Michel Morel doesn't miss the shoot, doesn't miss. Can see? Yeah. That was weird. It is 95 to 52. I mean, so yeah, guys, as you can see, we dominated game 5. Yeah. So it's pretty clear to see that when I play, we win, and that when I don't play against them, we're gonna lose. So I think for this game 6, I'm gonna live sim because like we're already quite a bit into the recording. Okay, so I'll pause that. Okay, so right now we're up quite a bit. Okay. Okay. Go. All right, I'm gonna hop it in the fourth. I'm gonna hop it in the fourth if I have to. Oh my god, we're gonna do it. We're gonna force game 7, guys. We're gonna force game 7. Okay, guys. So hopping in, I'm hopping in here. I've been live simming this game. I have not played the game. I've been live simming, but yeah, looks like we did pretty well in the live sim. So we're gonna force game 7, and potentially have a chance to actually pull off the 3-1 comeback that I said we couldn't. This team is making me eat my words. Oh my gosh, Benji Phillips in the NBA Finals or the Hoop League Finals, whatever you want to. Yeah, the HLA Finals, the Hoop League Association. Realizing, hey, I'm the best player in the world. Anthony King, subpar day from the third, from the man from. Oh my God, I cannot from the guy in the trio from the third amigo. I mean, our big three, not really the best day from Anthony King, but I mean he still performed. Anthony King, Anthony King when it matters most performs. Okay, so we're gonna force a game 7. I don't think I can. I don't think I can show the logo. Ugh. 7.8 seconds left, and this should wrap it up. Benji, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the buzzer, King misses. It doesn't matter. The Milwaukee Spartans have forced Game 7 off the back of a Ross Atkins special. I mean, look at this. Not of the best performance out of the big three, except for Ross Atkins. I mean, 2 of 6 from 3, 2 of 7, 3 of 10 from the floor. Bench, I did quite a bit, actually. On bench provided quite a bit of our points, holding them to under 100 again. Oh my gosh, dude, this is insane. This is insane. But this is insane. Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna give yeah, these. I think we'll go with our blues. Yeah, both teams were the alternate twos. Here it is. The three greatest words. Game 7. Oh my gosh, bro. This is it. This is it. This is where it all comes down to. Win or go home. I'm going to start us off with this. Morel. Atkins kept it in. Back to Atkins. Layup. Okay, not good. Not good. Not a good start. Definitely not a good start right now. So. No. Dang it. 3-0 start. Smoking on the reef. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, game 7. I mean, this is some stressful. This is some stressful basketball right now. Ross Atkins floats it in. Mmm. All right, we're down 7 early. Anthony. You know what? Wait, hold on. I think I need to start running some horns plays. We gotta start running some plays. Foul though. Hey, draw the fouls. Mmm. Gerald, I see it, man. 33% from the season. Mm-hmm. It's good right there. He literally all of his points have come from the free throw line. I'm not angry about that, but oh my gosh, keep it alive! No, 42. That did not take them 2 seconds to get down the court like that. 3 on the way. It's no good. King to course to Morel. Can Morel please just get? Oh my gosh, bro, he's so jittery with it. Oh, Ross Adkins throwing it down. Morel can't score. Okay, buddy, you have teammates. You can pass the rock sometimes. Oh my gosh, Anthony King realizing that he can shoot the ball, shoot it well too. Kirby, see, that's why I don't like him. I don't like him. And yep, timeout New Orleans. And we only have a 5 point lead, though, so it's still pretty early. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the final stand. This is where we make our mark and etch into the history books. Fit 6 minutes to prove to the world, to prove to everyone that we belong. Got to get him out of the cold. Dang, 18 points. Okay, and it's just like that. It's already a 2 point game, and now it's back to a 4 point game. Anthony King is going to be able to shoot some threes with the horns. Oh, wait, but that's right. We have Michelle Morel also shoot. Michelle? Let it fly? I guess not. Yes. Rebound. Get to Atkins. Atkins. Bully him. Foul. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Made it. It's maybe hard. But Ross Atkins has 20 again. He's got another 20 game on just 2 free throws as well. Steal. Take it. Swing it. Atkins. Layup. No foul? Fuck. Wait. If I can let Kirby run. And I messed up right there. Okay, we've got 2:37 to go in the game. No foul? It doesn't matter. Ross Adkins. Ross Adkins. I'm calling a timeout. I've got 2 left. Defensively, always on the double team. Lineup wise, Darren Scorpio, you need to come in, and I think we might need to also bring in Nathan Mayhem for a bit, just for unlike the 130 mark, because I know it's a 5-point game, but oh my gosh, we need some fucking help on the 3-point shooting, and I think Mayhem's gonna give us some good defense. That's how you get into a game. No, no. We cut it to 2 as well. Just missed. He missed. Okay. We need another screen. No, oh yeah. If we keep running these screen, if we keep abusing these screen plays. Okay, we just got put on a poster. 6-point game with 1:47 to go. We're gonna lose, aren't we? Morel, Atkins you guys need to come back in. I don't care how tired you guys are. Missed. Damn it. Okay, yeah, we're down 8. I think this is the end. Yeah, we can't hit anything to save our lives out there. Wait, maybe. Why did I pass that? Why did I pass that? Yeah, Anthony King's not going to give us anything either. That's game. 10 point, down 10 with a minute. This just needs to be a shot right now. Yeah. He's calling game. He missed. There is a slight chance. If we can just get Morel open. They're pressuring off. Morel knocks it down. He's going to make these. We're down 7. We're down 8. All right, we're going to go down 9 because he's going to make this. And it needs to be quick to Michel. It needs to be quick to Michel. Bro, how fucking win it. Yes. Who's shooting? Yes, we got Davion on the line. Fuck, damn it! I meant to press R1. I meant to press R1. He missed number 1. I don't know why. I don't know why I shot that. That was actually the stupidest play I could have done. He missed number 2. Quick 3. I'm not saying there's a chance, but Yeah, there's no chance. We just. We came up short. We came up short. I don't know, man. I just couldn't get anything. Why are they trying to shoot it? There's one. They want to run up the score? Oh, right. Yeah, he couldn't miss earlier, but now he can miss. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Congrats to New Orleans. They win again, and we crumble under pressure. Next season, next postseason. Well, that next year's gonna be our year. Hmm. But yeah. All right, that's gonna be it for the video. New Orleans wins in Game 7. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for watching. Tyler Gaines wins MVP, Finals MVP. But anyway, yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, stream tonight, 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Goodbye.